Also, I think that where you finished in terms of being flat for the year, the rest of the industry's down. I mean, you're taking share from everyone, right?
We've been really strong. We've taken tremendous share in our engine business. Mercury Marine is up 310 basis points in the last 2 years in share. And just this year, many of our boat brands, particularly our fishing boat brands in aluminum and in saltwater, like Boston Whaler, have certainly taken share. And we expect to be ahead of the market here. Really, what's going on in the overall market is nothing to do with raw demand. Raw demand is tremendously strong. What we're really seeing is constrained supply. Just actually yesterday was the first day of the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. And brand very familiar to you, Boston Whaler, our sales, first day sales were up 50% versus the same show last year. So even with constrained demand and even with long wait times, people are really, really keen to get a boat. And obviously, we want to get as many of them as we possibly can.
We want people to understand this. When I talked to you last time, same at the boat show, you also had unbelievable year over year. So this is a continuation of what a lot of people thought was going to end when the pandemic wound down. It didn't happen. It accelerated.
No, it really did, and it really has. You know, we have an online community that we poll frequently called Ripple that we set up, trying to understand what their boating behaviors are, boaters, new boaters, seasoned boaters. And a lot of people are still finding ways to find time on the water with the new flexible working arrangements, for example. And now, even though we're increasing capacity, because field inventories are so low, even with that capacity, it's probably going to be 3 years before we really get field inventory levels back to where they should be. So really nice for us in terms of being able to see demand going forward. And we're doing everything we possibly can to increase capacity in terms of boats and engines to try and satisfy as much of that demand as we can.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.